This is our family engagement 4th grade reading, read, write, and play pack. This kit is chock full of engaging activities that will support learners with hands-on learning. And this is an amazing way to aid in learning recovery after a rough few years. This kit could be amazing in a classroom as supportive materials for a teacher, but could also be sent home with students to really build that school to home connection and engage families in the learning process. This could also be used in after-school programs or summer programs or summer camps. Wherever you want to get the kids learning and practicing their reading and writing skills, this is the kit to do that. The cornerstone of the kit is this activity and instruction guide. This 24-page guide is in both English and Spanish equally. It has a family letter, a little information on the 4 C's, tips from the classroom, tips to build reading skills. And what we find is if you can provide the family with a little bit of information on what you're doing in the classroom and also how to best support their learners, that's the best way to engage them and have them feel that ownership of the learning process and have them feel like they're a part of your classroom community. And creating those connections is going to get the learner really excited about reading, and helping parents to feel that they're creating that positive environment at home is going to further those skills for the student in a really exciting and engaging way. Now, in this guide, we also walk you through every piece in this kit, how to use it, some ideas on different ways you could use it, but also some extension activities, which adds a little bit more of a creative spin and more fun, more outside the box ways to use the product that can help bring families together. So we'll walk you through each of those pieces, and I'll start here with our dry erase mats. We offer 3 double-sided dry erase mats for twice the fun. And we also know that not every family has a dry erase marker at home, so we provide that in the kit to set you up for success. We also include a family game. So between 2 and 4 players can play at a time. And we find that games are a great way to engage kids in the learning process without even knowing they're learning. So here, there's different idioms and figurative language that students can practice while they're having fun with their families. And that adds some social emotional benefits as well. Taking turns, making connections, following instructions, all things that help out in the classroom and are transferable skills. It also includes this journal. And I especially love this Snapshots Journal for students and to take home with their families, because you're taking snapshots of different memories and what was happening in that memory. So it gives students a chance to talk about different memories with their families and really engage and think about some of the things that have happened to them and their experiences. And it also includes 10 double-sided, large-size task cards that are also dry erase, so students can practice with the manipulative. For 4th grade, it's this die, and they can roll the die and practice talking about fiction texts, non-fiction texts, and practice the skills that they're doing in the classroom at home as well. So throughout this kit, not only will it walk the teacher or the parent through some of these things, it also has a 30-day calendar of fun activities, ways to connect and include reading in your everyday life for a whole month. I'm sure it'll build a lot of family togetherness, classroom togetherness, creating that community. We hope you enjoy them.